Hey YouTube, Baller5 AJK here. Today I'm just going to make a silver video because silver hit a 2012 high of $35 an ounce Canadian. So that's great. By the way, my hair is brown on orange. The light that will be shining in my face is from an iPad tablet over here that I'm doing some research on. And also, I'm kind of sick, so that's why my voice is kind of quiet. But I'll try to make this video as best I can for you. So, silver is at 32.25 Canadian or 35.34 American as I make this video. Gold is at 1,777 US or 1,773 Canadian. Now, why does the Canadian dollar have more buying power than the US dollar at the moment? Well, I believe this is because the Canadian dollar is driven by petrol, the price of petrol. And right now the price of petrol is very high. On the news, that's the TV behind there, on the news, in the States, people are complaining about $5 per gallon petrol. Now the fact of the matter is in Canada, we paid that for as long as I can remember. We tend to pay $1.12 to $1.30, even $1.40 per liter. It really varies, but we tend to pay more than in the States. Hawaii is one of the highest paying petrol places in the United States, and we pay more than them at the moment, where I am in Canada. Now, that being addressed, what is the American dollar? Well, it's the greenback currency. It is the worldwide currency. So, if the American dollar is going down, what happens to gold and silver? Well, gold and silver go up. When the American dollar goes up, gold and silver go down because people have confidence in the American dollar, the world currency. Right now, people don't have confidence in any currency. That's why they're turning to gold and silver as a hedge. The Greek banks are struggling. They're in debt. I'm reading here in this article that the Greek banks are in, billions of, some of them are in billions of, into billions of euros of losses. Now, their assets to liabilities do not balance out at all. The other thing is, I believe we're going to see a big crunch in the market, a double dip recession, if you will, near March. I heard this at a financial meeting, so don't give me credit for the idea. But what's going to happen is the Greeks are going to have to pay out their bondholders because their bonds will mature. And when that happens, shit's going to break loose, to say it straight. But what else? Well, so what can you do about this? Well, you can make sure you're diversified with some cash, some real estate if you can, which I can't, some money, sorry I said that, cash, and also some precious metals. I think you should have 5 to 10% depending on your situation in precious metals, if you can. Now, another thing I'd like to touch on is this has been totally cliched or overused on YouTube, but the buying power remains so strong. This was the gift that was given to me that I was going to show you in this video. It's a 1935 Canadian silver dollar, excuse me. It's a really nice coin, really good condition, and airtight case. Has King George V on the back. Sorry, the light's really weird. King George V on the back, 1935. And this coin back in 1935 would have bought you, half a week's worth of groceries. That would buy me probably half a week's worth of groceries, give or take. Today, this coin will still buy me about the same amount of food. Maybe not, but if I eat well, right? If I eat cheap. So, silver beats inflation, and so does gold. Gold beats it really well. But for all you investors that want to diversify, it's good to have some silver, some gold, and just get diversified like that. The other thing is, when the economy's gonna struggle as it is, money might not be able to make big bucks in the stock market. I mean, I agree that the stock market has way bigger returns at some situations, but in the moment, you need to have some of your cash in hard assets like oil or silver or gold, because that's what's going to keep you safe when the economy is not doing so well. So thanks for watching my video. This is the coin. Thank you for watching my video. Please input any ideas you have. Debate with me. Tell me why I'm wrong. Tell me why, we're not going to see a double dip recession, and why silver is not going to go up in value, and gold. Tell me why they're going to go down to zero, because I want to hear. I'd like to hear your input. Now, I'm not biased here. I'm taking this from all sides of the argument. I do own some silver and gold myself, but I'm looking at all different sides. I'd like to invest in the stock market, but I just can't see it right now. I can't see how that's a safe way to invest at the moment. And even cash seems better sometimes, even though we're losing money with inflation. So tell me what you think. Tell me if you think there's going to be a double dip. Tell me if you know anything about a 1935 Canadian silver dollar, if it's any cool facts about it, or how many were minted, or anything like that. I haven't looked that up. But thank you for watching the video. Sorry for all the information so fast, and have a good day. And I hope we see silver continue on this upward trend. By the way, I forgot to say my outlooks. I think silver is going to continue on an upward trend. I don't think it's going to, I think we could see over $40 an ounce by the end of 2012, which seems very reasonable considering we're already at 35. I think there's going to be some pullbacks in between then, but I think it's just going to be a nice steady incline. I don't think you're going to see a spike. Well, you will see spikes, but I don't think you're going to see a massive $40 spike overnight. But you never know with silver. It's so volatile that you can't predict it. It's not like gold. It's more volatile than gold for sure. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Have a good day.